Hey, so this is going to be a quick review on the WD Black expansion drive. I recently ran into an issue where my PS5 ran out of space, thanks to Call of Duty, of course, and I needed to add additional space, and I decided to go with this one because 1 TB feels like enough. And also, I've looked at different models or different types of hard drives, and I just decided to go with one that it was plug and play. First thing you need to do is make sure you understand what PlayStation you have. I have the Slim, so mine I just have to pop this top off, and it came off with a little bit of effort. I had to pop it off here and then pull it off over here, and that came off. I think on the other ones you have to slide it, but I definitely suggest watching the video after you order yours to verify how you're going to install it. Now you need a Phillips head to take out this screw, and this is the cover for the expansion drive area, and put that right there. And now we're going to open this up, see what comes inside. Be careful with that. All right, there we go. So the reason I went with this one too is because it has a heat sink, which is a very important part of the SSD when installing one in a PS5. Has something to do with protecting it from the heat, so definitely make sure you get one. You're also supposed to take this out. This is the spacer screw. I don't know if you can see that. Once we get that out. All right, let's put that right there. Next thing you need to do, the spacer, you need to put it where your drive ends. So this is going to be right here. And this basically allows it to sit up over the bottom. Now this is the most important part. You need to install it at an angle, or apparently you can cause a lot of damage. So you push it in like that, and then just let it fall down. And then we get our screw, push it down like that. You get your screw, going to lock this in place. All right, that is fully seated. And now we need to make sure you put this back on. This is also important because it covers the SSD and protects it from dust. All right, be careful with this screw. Apparently you can screw it really easily. So definitely take your time putting that in. And that's it. The SSD has been installed. Now you can put the cover back on, and I'll come back when I am setting it up to show you what it looks like. All right, PS5 is now back on, and it's asking me to format, which I'm not surprised. And let's go ahead and format the SSD. And that should be it. And the read speed is 6,547, which is above the recommended amount, which is not surprising, being that it is made for the PS5. And now I shouldn't get any errors about me having any issues with storage. All right, and there we have it. As you can see, WD Black 1000 gigabytes, or basically 1 terabyte, has been installed, and that is how it shows up. You can see I only have 110 gigabytes left, so I figured this should last me a good amount of time with how much I game. I don't really game that much. And let's see, PS5 and games. Yeah, all right. Well, that's pretty much it. I mean, it works. So thanks for watching. You have a blessed day.